The Mustang isn't just a car, it's a cultural icon that embodies American freedom. From the thrilling chase in Bullitt to the adrenaline of Fast and Furious, it's been a star on the big screen. Car shows buzz with excitement, showcasing Mustangs that turn heads and spark conversations. Fans gather in Mustang clubs, sharing stories and celebrating their passion for this legendary ride. Did you know the Mustang was the first car to be featured in a major motion picture? It's more than just a vehicle. It's a symbol of style, community, and the open road. Let's dive into the world of modern Mustangs and the incredible technology behind them. The GT and Shelby models are pushing performance to new heights. Check out the Mach-E, the electric Mustang that's changing the game. These cars are not just about speed, they're about smart design and innovation. From engine close-ups to track performance, every detail matters. Horsepower and top speed are just the beginning. Tech features are redefining the drive. It's amazing to see how far the Mustang has come, blending tradition with the future. There's something magical about the Mustang community. Every car meet feels like a family reunion. I love hearing stories from fellow enthusiasts, like the guy who raced his Mustang at the local track and won, or the woman who restored her father's classic model. Each story is a testament to passion and pride. The roar of engines and the cheers from the crowd, unforgettable. It's not just about the cars, it's about the connections we make. The Ford Mustang isn't just a car, it's a piece of American history. It embodies power, passion, and freedom on the open road. If you love car stories as much as I do, you won't want to miss what's coming next. So, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and drop a comment sharing your dream Mustang. Let's keep the love for legendary cars alive together. Get ready to experience the thrill of the Mustang like never before. We're diving into a cinematic journey that blends classic and modern vibes. Picture this: dynamic camera angles capturing every shiny metallic reflection. Feel the energy as we embrace a patriotic spirit with subtle red, white, and blue highlights. Watch as we mix breathtaking motion blur with high-octane action. This isn't just a car, it's a symbol of freedom and power on the open road. Join me as we celebrate the legacy of the Mustang in stunning 4K resolution. Get ready to feel the roar of the Mustang. This beast has been turning heads since 1964, with a deep, powerful engine that ignites passion. Let's dive into the specs that make it legendary. From the classic fastback to today's modern marvels, each model tells a story of speed and style. Did you know the Mustang was a pop culture icon? It's been featured in movies like Bullitt, Gone in 60 Seconds. Feel that adrenaline? Like, subscribe, and comment your favorite Mustang moment. Let's keep the legacy alive with every rev and roar. This is more than a car, it's a lifestyle.